The dune field is nested in the Tularosa Basin, which is surrounded by the San Andreas and Sacramento Mountains. These mountains are composed of layers of gypsum. Rainfall and snowmelt from these mountains dissolve the gypsum and wash it down to the basin floor. Here it has nowhere to go. The water settles on the basin floor at its lowest point called Lake Lucero. When weather conditions are optimal, the water will evaporate. When this happens, the dissolved minerals are crystallized and form selenite crystals. Selenite is the crystalline form of gypsum. The crystals are very brittle and fragile and eventually break apart. So sand is definitely one of the biggest features of White Sands National Park. Some information about it is defined as any mineral between 0.065 millimeters and 2 millimeters in diameter. To give you a better idea, it's about the width of a nickel, and it can be composed of any mineral. The minerals that form the dunes of White Sands National Monument is about 98% pure gypsum sand. This sand is rare because it is water soluble, and it's very rare to see gypsum sand in the form of dunes, which are mounds of sand piled up by wind. The 275 square miles of dunes are comprised of over 4.5 billion tons of gypsum sand found in White Sands National Park. So some things about gypsum sand. It is a very common mineral used in drywall and toothpaste. When heated, it turns into chalk or plaster, and when added to water, it becomes hard again. And it is an evaporate mineral. It dissolves in water and will recrystallize during evaporation of liquid. 3 other parks with sand dunes in them are pictured here. To the left is Coral Pink Sand Dunes State Park in Utah. The top right is Jockey's Ridge State Park in North Carolina, and the bottom right is Great Sand Dunes National Park in Colorado. This is just a picture of me and my family when we were on vacation in Outer Banks, North Carolina. We actually got to hike Jockey's Ridge, and it was really amazing to see.